ARIN allocates IP addresses and autonomous system numbers, or ASNs, to organizations following the policies outlined in our Number Resource Policy Manual. An autonomous system is a group of one or more IP prefixes run by a network operator that maintains a single, clearly defined routing policy. Network operators need autonomous system numbers to control routing within their networks and to exchange routing information with other Internet service providers, or ISPs. ARIN issues ASNs to organizations so they can exchange exterior routing information with neighboring autonomous systems, such as BGP routing information. Before you submit an ASN request, you should review the list of informational items you will need to have when completing your request. You can review this list from ARIN.net by choosing IP addresses and ASNs and then selecting Requesting IP addresses or ASNs from the top navigation menu. If this is your first ARIN transaction, you will need to do a few things before you can request an ASN. First, create an ARIN Online account. Then associate your user account with a point of contact record. Also, create an organization identifier or org ID with your point of contact as the admin or tech point of contact. After your ARIN Online account is set up and associated with a point of contact that has the authority to request resources for your organization, you can submit a request for resources. To request an ASN, first, log in to ARIN Online. From the left navigation menu, select ASNs. Select the organization identifier or org ID this ASN will be associated with. Next, enter an AS name. This name will identify the ASN to other routing objects. This is a required field. You can also enter public comments to be displayed in ARIN's registry data. Suggestions include your corporate website or your Network Operations Center hours. When you are finished, select Next Step. Next, you will enter the information required for justification. Fields noted with an asterisk are required. Select the policy review type. Most requests fall under the multi-homed policy review type, and the most common exterior gateway protocol is BGP. Next, note when the organization will begin using the ASN. If connectivity is already live, indicate immediately. Complete the remaining justification details if applicable and select Next Step. Provide any additional information you think ARIN might need in reviewing your request and then select Next Step. Review the information you have provided and select Submit. After you submit your request, it will be assigned a ticket number and an ARIN resource analyst will review it, typically within 2 business days. Your analyst will either approve your request or ask you for additional information. Communications from your analyst will be available in the Messages page of ARIN Online and accessible from the bell symbol in the topmost navigation menu. Once ARIN receives the requested materials and payment from you, your resources will be issued within 2 business days. If you need a status update on your request or have any questions, please call ARIN Registration Services at 703-227-0660. If you need assistance with your invoice, please call ARIN Financial Services at 703-227-9886. To view your ASN after it is issued, you can log in and view it from the dashboard or select ASNs, then view from the left navigation menu. Looking for additional videos? Visit our training library at arin.net/howtovideos to learn about IPv6, RPKI, and more.